Good morning. We're coming to you from Merced, California. I'm Rosie Burroughs with our marketing flagship of Burroughs Family Farms. And today we're going to have an overview from our grandson, Jed Bilesma, who's with Full Circle Dairy. Jed, can you tell us about your mobile organic chicken unit?
Yeah, so about 2 years ago, we got about 1,000 chickens, and we have them in these 4 coops that we rotate around this pasture every few days.
So you're talking about the Full Circle Dairy pastures that we see here in the background. And can you tell us a little bit about the overview of your hens, starting with what kind of birds you have?
These are golden sexlings, and they're bred specifically for egg production, and we get about 700 eggs out of 1,000 every day. So.
Jed, can you show us now that we're up close here about your watering system?
So the water goes into this barrel from fresh deep wells, and then it feeds down into this tub right here with a float valve.
Okay. And you just leave the valve on and keep it. It'll just has a float there that'll keep water in your deal. And then how often do you find that you have to clean the troughs?
They don't get that dirty, but the chickens like to scratch dirt in there, so yeah, we dump it every 2 days.
Okay, and now that we're here up close, you can see the feeder that we were talking about earlier, and of course all the fresh grass that they've been on and are rotating through. Here, tell us about your egg collection.
So the eggs just roll down once the hens lay them, and then so we can collect them along this line right here.
We had trouble when we first started with predators, but we have guard dogs that stay with the mobile units, and you haven't had any trouble with predators, have you?
No.
Okay, great. So Jed, tell us a little bit about your day. How does your day start with the chickens?
So in the morning I feed the chickens, which takes about 30 minutes, and then I let them lay into mid-afternoon, about 2 or 3 o'clock. Then I come out and collect the eggs, which takes about an hour and a half. And every few days we move the trailers, which takes a couple hours, and that's about all the work that goes into this.
Okay, and then you take your eggs over to your aunts for processing and cleaning and packaging. What do you like about this project, Jed?
It's not that hard of work. It's kind of relaxing because you just walk by at your own pace and do stuff.
Mm-hmm.
How long would you like to work with chickens?
As long as I can.
Yeah.
So, just for curiosity for people that would like to maybe start on this, could you also share with us some of your other projects that are poultry, like some of the eggs that you've hatched out over the years?
So I like raising ducks too. I've hatched out eggs in an incubator, and I like them because they are cuter than chickens.
Mm-hmm. And so tell us some of the other things you've done. You've done quail and
turkey and a few geese.
All right. Well, thank you, Jed, for sharing your poultry project with us.